how to find recommend me to my friends settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find recommend me to my friends settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines in the top corner and then just click settings, and here you will find privacy. Click on it, and as you see here you can find recommend me to my friends settings. You can turn it on and just by one click, and you can turn it off again and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.